Don't tell me lies. Look at your neck, your chest, your breast. Tell me everything that's on your nasty mind. Don't lie to me.
There's only one answer. Total defeat. Wait here.
New tattoo. She's so fire. My artist is like so dope with the. She said, "Kiss that ass."
My ass.
Y'all, we back at the house. I got Whataburger.
So that's why Blue Chew has introduced a unique online service that delivers the same active ingredients as Viagra and Cialis. And now also have a ready-filled gift card with
Y'all, so we are in Whataburger in the line ordering some food. Let me cut the light on. Here we go. We are in Whataburger in the line ordering some food. Dip a face over here. We in the Whataburger line ordering some food. Waiting to pick it up. Chilling. Random. I really don't be doing much, y'all, for real. But I got some plans this weekend. A few little plans, nothing too major, but y'all gonna come through and see that with me here. And we're next in line. Here we go. Y'all, we back at the house. I got Whataburger. Cheeseburger. Not double cheeseburger. A regular cheeseburger with mustard only and bacon. Some fries. This is my liquor I had left, and I got a Fanta with no Sprite. With no ice. And that go big and ass down there, solidly big. And we watching Chelsea. But we chilling, y'all. And it's Friday. I wanted to go out, but I ain't feel like it. We're gonna go out probably tomorrow or Sunday. I think Sunday for sure. But tomorrow should be eventful, so I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Marie. What the fuck? Bye, y'all. See y'all tomorrow.
She thought the darkness would leave her alone if she stayed away.
Well, I'm sorry. But now that the darkness knows that you exist, it will never leave you alone. There's only one answer. Total defeat. Wait here.
We got Marissa. Do the fit check again, Marie. Okay, fit check, fit check, fit check. Uh-oh. Sis coming down. With the fit check.
Spinning that circle.
Maya B. Nah, y'all, she said kiss that ass.
My ass.
You guys, we are headed to a game. This is the fit check. Good morning, y'all. It is Sunday, October the 8th, if I'm not mistaken. It's like 6 o'clock because of my loud ass fucking neighbors. I'm about to get my day started. Y'all, look at my new tattoo. I can't really show y'all. Let me see. Oh, there she go. Y'all, look at my new tattoo. She's so fire. My artist is like so dope with the color and the butterfly. She's healing. She's about a week old as of yesterday. Cleaning, making some content, prepping for what I'm recording this week. I'm going to do week 2 of Halloween look, and I got one in mind. I'm hoping it turned out the way I trying it the first time, then doing it again. I'm like really recording it as I'm doing it, so like y'all seeing like the not so best version of it, but it is what it is. Like I said, I haven't been in a creative space, but I'm trying to get back into it, so that's what the point of these videos are for this month. It's like that because makeup has always been a passion, but since losing my brother, like I haven't really been in like the creative space, so to speak. I've been more so working on a healing journey and things like that. Creative space, you know what I'm saying? Like it's just more so been like focusing on self-love, self-healing, just a lot of stuff like that, which those are like topics that I plan on discussing in my podcast from my point of view. I'm doing today on this good Sunday, just resetting, cleaning, trying to get my mind and energy back focused. It's like I started my lady on Friday, and y'all, luckily my shit like 3 days, so I'm towards the end of her today, and she's like going off. So like I can't focus, like, because I be in pain and all that extra shit. So now that she's going off, I can get back into my energy of, you know, being centered and things. Like, I'm gonna try to get a little bit of me cleaning on camera and stuff too. I've been watching with other YouTubers that I watch. There's a lot of people have been posting like anywhere from 10 to like 30-minute vlog videos, and that's cool with me, goddamn, because I'm like, bro, how I'm gonna get all this content, all this recording, and y'all, I really don't do shit on a day-to-day. Like, I work from home, I be chilling, really nothing much, but for the most part, this is what your girl do. I be chilling, vibing, prepping, planning, and doing my thing. You know, I do my thing, I do my thing, okay, y'all? The number one word this month is consistency, y'all. Consistency with whatever you're doing, whether it's reading a book, you know, personal goals like myself, working, whatever the case may be, whatever you trying to do this month, consistency is key. That's why I'm trying to preach to myself, and I'm preaching to y'all. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all have a great, blessed Sunday. Whenever y'all watch this, whatever day it is, I hope it's a great, blessed day. And yeah, let's get it.
It's not even all black, it's all black. This thing's lit and one side.
Shopper's belongings with this ridiculous fishing rod. If your partner can't hook somebody's bag, you lose. I mean, he can't miss. That's a good-looking shirt. It's a new shirt, huh? Yeah, I'm trying to reintroduce non-hoodies and colors into it when I can. It's just always that wrong hoodie every day. Cargo pants. Not soon enough. The 90s was big guy, and it left out cargo pants.
And that show bring them back now.
No more missing reports.
He said he wondered when cargo pants gonna come back. I said they already back now.
Get murdered, this 130, he's 250. I wanna fuck, boy, I'm too picky. Flowers 7 flooded 40s, but I need you on my door. They okay. Hold on the bikes when I'm in bait. Whole nigga try to jump on my case. He talking about.
Chocolate outside, y'all. She looking like Smokey tonight, but she cute as hell though. It's crazy. But she lit.
Down there and like that area over here, it's different.
Yeah.
So like that area,
There it
like, where we're from
goes.
is different, and then I was like the DMV area is.
Man, so we all need to go to DC. My yo, I knew niggas that I met. Yeah, we caught you on red candy camera. This drunk ass over here. Y'all, it's been a night. It's been a night, y'all, and I'm leaving Ador. Okay, boo. Love you, Maya. Text us when you make it. Okay.